Welcome to our Microsoft Dynamics CRM 2013 training video titled MS CRM Outlook Calendar Integration. The CRM system doesn't have a central calendar, so the purpose of this training is to show you how to add or remove calendars. These are the points that we are going to cover in this training session. Open a shared calendar from the address book, overlaying calendars, add an Exchange departmental group calendar, create a custom calendar group and add members, move a calendar into a custom calendar group, add a calendar in more than one calendar group, deleting a shared, group or personal calendar. Our starting point is from your MS Dynamics page. Bullet point 1. Select Calendar. Open the calendar from the drop-down list. Select from the address book. Select a contact from the address book. In my example, I'll use René Braun. Type in the name of the person in the dialog box and then scroll down and select your chosen contact. Move to the bottom of the screen and click on Calendar. Then click on OK. This will now display both your calendar and that of René Braun's. Selecting and deselecting the calendar. This is done by selecting and deselecting using the checkbox in the navigation pane on the left-hand side of the screen. Bullet point 2. Overlaying calendars. I'm now going to show you how to merge two calendars. To do this, you need to be in overlay mode. Click here on the little arrow on the side of René Braun's calendar tab. You can see that both are now merged. To view in side-by-side mode, simply click on the arrow here. Bullet point 3. In this section we're going to add two new Exchange email groups. This will create two new Outlook groups automatically. I've chosen UK Secretaries and UK Sales Engineers. From the ribbon, select Open Calendar. From the drop-down list, select From the Address Book. In the dialog box, start to type the first name of your chosen group. Scroll down, highlight, and then select your chosen contact. Click on the Calendar button here. Now move back to the dialog box and start to type the name of your second group. Again, scroll down, highlight, and select your chosen contact. Move to the bottom of the screen and click on Calendar. And then click on OK. Due to the large number of members within these two groups, it is not practical to display the calendars in side-by-side mode, so the system will automatically display them in the schedule view. To display members within the group, click on the arrow to the left of the calendar group name and expand the list. You can toggle between schedule and month views. You can also use the scroll bar to the right.
I'm now going to collapse the UK Sales Engineers Group calendar. First, unchecking the tick box here, then check on the little arrow to the left. We can expand the other groups to display the members of that group. Again, you can toggle between schedule and month views. Before moving to the next topic, create a custom calendar group and also add members, I'm going to collapse the second group calendar. Bullet point 4. From the ribbon, select Calendar Group and then Create New Calendar Group. I've called this new group MS CRM Team. Type in the name in the dialog box and click on OK. In the new dialog box, type in the name of the first member of the group. My first contact is Brigitte Collender. Highlight and select the name of the member and click on Group Members at the bottom of the screen. Now to add the next member, go to the dialog box. This time I've chosen Hartmann Scheifer. Again, highlight, press Group Members and then click on OK. Click on the checkbox next to the MS CRM team to show the presence of members in the new group. Bullet point 5. We now want to add René Braun to this calendar group. We already have his name from the shared calendar. Click on the checkbox here. Click on his name. Right-click and select Move Up from List. As you can see, he's now been moved into this group. Bullet point 6. Next, I'm going to show you how to add a calendar in more than one calendar group. In this example, we're going to add another member to the MS CRM team. This time it will be Darren Myers. Darren is already a member of another group called UK Sales Engineers, but we don't want to remove him from that group, so expand the UK Sales Engineers and click on the tick box next to Darren's name. Now move to the MS CRM team group and uncheck the box. From the ribbon, select Open Calendar, then from the address book. In the dialog box, type Darren's name. Highlight and move to the bottom of the screen and click on Calendar and then on OK. Click on Month View and you can see that Darren has two calendars. Uncheck the UK Sales Engineers group and move to Darren's shared calendar. Right-click, select on Move Up. You can now see that Darren has been added as a member of this group. Place a tick in the MS CRM team checkbox. Check on Month View. You can now see that Darren is a member of both groups, UK Sales Engineers and the MS CRM team group. Before moving to our last topic, deleting a shared group or personal calendar, I'll close the UK Sales Engineers group calendar. Bullet point 7. OK, we're now going to delete two shared calendars from the MS CRM team. Firstly, I'll delete Hartmann Scheifer's calendar. Select right-click on his name, click on Delete Calendar. Now, repeat the same process and select Darren Myers. Now we're going to delete a group calendar. Again, right-click on the group name and select Delete Group. a warning message is displayed. Are you sure you want to remove the group MS CRM team and its contents from the deleted folder? This last piece of the warning is not strictly correct. It does delete the calendar and move it to the deleted items folder, but it does not remove the contents of the calendar. You can now click on Yes to confirm the deletion. Next, we're going to delete and recover a personal calendar. I'm going to select BC's personal appointment. It will display in day view, but in order to show you more information, I will change it to month view. Right-click on the calendar to be deleted and select Delete Calendar. Again, the warning message will be displayed. Just click on Yes. OK. You've now realised you've deleted it in error. How do I recover it? Simple. Click on the folder list at the bottom of the screen and move to Deleted Items. Here you can see the calendar you have deleted. Right-click on the name of the calendar and select Move Calendar. This will open the Move Folder dialog window. Select Calendar and then OK. If you now click on the calendar icon at the bottom of the screen on the left-hand side navigation pane, you can see it has been replaced. This takes us to the end of this particular training video, in which you have learned how to open a shared calendar from the address book, overlay calendars, add an Exchange departmental group calendar, create a custom calendar group and add members, move a calendar into a custom group, add a calendar in more than one calendar group, deleting a shared, group or personal calendar. Thank you for your attention and hope you found these details informative.